Emhlanganweni owalandela same thing kwakhulunywa ngamabhasi ngetransport. Amabhasi agcine engafikanga eMabhidi. And the preparations, guys, mina sengibukele it was very poor. UFloyd akaziluthe ngeorganizing. Kungcono ke mina usezolikhipha igama wathi ngiyamzonda. Akaziluthe ngeorganizing. Ngisho abantu bangakhuluma bathini. Umkhonto ufe nge-event yaseMabhidi. Alikho enye event ebulala umkhonto. Konke lokho kulandelayo sekukuthasisela nje. The question is, if umuntu econfirma ukuthi benza iZuma must fall, bedala chaos nani ethi babekhokhelwa. Sazi ngani manje ukuthi akakhokhelwa? Ngoba ichaos iqale ngokufika kaFloyd.
Space lesivulekile ekuyinkinga zethu phela. So ke sizomsendela lawo memorandum azofika kuyena. So ezinye indlela sesingasho sithi into esiyenzile ibe impumelelo ngesibindi senu nibe naso enisikhomisile. Kodwa esikushoyo ama-MK ukuthi unobhala wethu uzolithezwa lumanzi. Usesihlukumeze kakhulu iphathi yonke nationally uzolithezwa lumanzi. So ke sengizoyibamba lapho ngoba inhloso yemasho bekulapho ukuthi sizothesanele. Enough is enough.
Welcome everyone to another political talk. Welcome to New Zealand Political Media, whereby we discuss our politics. My name is Sabelo Wagazuma Omsholuzi, and I welcome you to join me as we are talking about the never-ending wars of MK Party. Publicly, Nico Floyd Shivambu has been confronted, and the MKP members who are sidelined, they are coming for him publicly, defying all odds and the Constitution itself. And they are saying, Floyd, your days are numbered. Your days are numbered. We are coming for you. You know, now I understand why Floyd carries a gun. I fully understand. So, there's this fake poll that has been released. I call it fake, right? Because I saw even Mzwanele Manye posted it on his X platform account. But it is not original, right? These fake polls are not to be trusted. And I don't know what is their agenda. Maybe it's because of that we are going to 2026 local government election. So now people, they come to drive a Satan narrative. Look at this. ANC support sinking to 26%. So this graph shows that the ANC is declining from 40 to 26%, and the DA is increasing from 22 to 27%. And the MK Party, now this one is the interesting one, right? It is going up from 15 to 63%. So you guys already have the two-thirds majority according to this graph, right? So the EFF decreases from 10 to 3%. The IFP decreases from 4 to 2%. And the ATM increases from 1% to 8%. Who's making these polls? Because this thing is fake. This thing, there's no truth in this thing. Just don't believe this. So money, he needs to do better. Doesn't need to go around and spreading fake news. This is what we call them. But the house is burning. Seems like Gwaza Mkhonto is gwazaring inside the house. Ngathi Mkhonto ugwazana uwodwa manje, because the members are fighting. Some are claiming that they have put some serious monies in terms of organizing rallies, events, gala dinners of Umkhonto Wesizwe. Remember the guy who called by Sthembi Sonkomo? He's busy now. He's recruiting. Sthembi Sonkomo is in the forefront of this. I don't want to say anything about him, but it seems like he has his own group. those who are not happy about the services and especially the appointment of their Secretary General, Floyd Nico Shivambu. So Thabiso Molefe has at it once again, and he claimed that he has invested more than 720,000 in Umkhonto weSizwe, and he has not received that money back because when Floyd came in, they were sidelined and they never got now to reap anything or to be repaid of anything that they invested there. And another member, I didn't get his name, said that he was organizing the gala dinner and he has put in more than R500,000 into Umkhonto weSizwe, just organizing for t-shirts, for food and other things, and he has not gotten that money back. And by all means and all odds, they went to Nkandla to report this matter to JZ. So when he got there, he told him that there is monies that are missing and he still needs to maybe investigate what happened to the report, to investigate the 26 million that was just got stolen in few days by the MKP members, right? So Thanti Mthanti is accused number one. Do you remember him? The one who said that no, he's leaving the position, right? So of the MKP because he has some other commitments. So he's been accused. And they say that now all these problems, they started when Floyd came in. Because even Floyd himself has been accused of some monies. So they say that the reason why many MKP volunteers, those people who were working for the MK party who were not paid for December and other months, it is said because the budget is being depleted. It is no longer there because of the comrades stole 26 million in just few days, and the money and the way MKP went bankrupt, right? You will understand that when they are hosting the rallies, they will just donate 10 rands and so forth because they have that dilemma there. So I want to play this another clip, maybe two. I don't want to talk much, but this clip will just unpack some of the things to those disgruntled members who are not happy about the appointment of Floyd, and they are not joking and they are not going anywhere. They literally want him out there because they are saying that he's sidelining them and he's appointing people that he was in the EFF with. So he's appointing all these people and sidelining those people who invested their monies and who have started with this political party. Let us listen to this voice clip right here.
I am the one who was funding that program with food for the volunteers. Secondly, after we won the by-election in Rustenburg at Ward 45, I went there in Tabazimbi. MK never brought food for the volunteers. I bought grocery. I bought grocery of 25,000 rand, water, cold drinks, lunch bars, bread, everything. There's a video footage where I bought the grocery for the volunteers.
Izinto esihlangabezane nazo yabona ke Thabiso mangabe uthi ulahlekelwe imali, mina ngahlela ngiqala ama program uma kuphela ama elections, kwacaca ukuthi ngisho structure ngangikhethe naso bese singasayi ngisho kuma programs, ngawenza ama program kwaze ufika kwiGaladina, ngafike ngabatshela ngathi iGaladina ukhuluma nami khoma
hayi qhubeka ngithi abathe screen abathe bangameli phela abathe
okay
yeah
ngabatshela ngathi bafethu iGaladina siyiplaneni ngakakhethwa, nansi iGaladina ngiyanikeza yona, ngicela nisisupporteke mawukuthi niyayibotha into eright ngoba sifuna iTheku lithenga imoto eziwu2 ama loud hailers, sifuna ukuthenga ama water tank, sinenkinga yamanzi eThekwini, sifuna ukuthenga ama ambulance azoyilala indawo zasemakhaya. Upresident sengimnikezile ilokhuzana iproposal, wayivuma wathi uzobatshela ababhala incwadi, abazange baze bayibhala incwadi kwaze wafika ilanga leGaladina. You know khoma imali engayispenda ngeGaladina more than 500,000 iGaladina ese Radisson Blue from my pocket. incwadi ukuthi ngiyithathe ngiyise ku business people abazange bazi banginikeze till today. Befike iprogram irana, hayi ukuthi iprogram engayenza bengeke isabotage izisabotage abantu nabo kuma region ngoba umkhonto unalezo sifo. But ke moving forward lo mkhonto sebewubulela and bayaqhubeka bawubulala fayile singavumi ukuthi bawubulale. I-corruption eyenzeke nge-event bazoyikhuluma ngeke bazi bangayikhulumi. Ngisho bangazama ngayo yonke indlela khomo yokuthi basivimbe ukuthi singayi ku-president. Ngiyafika ku-president last week kade ngi-president. Nakuleli sonto sizobonana no-president. Lento ayenzayo yokuzama ukucentralize amandla uShivamba bekuyena iyaphela kuleli sonto leli. Leli sonto leli lothi shawul ulesihlanje siya iyaphela leyo nto uThabiso. Sifuna ukumkhombisa ukuthi amamasiza namandla. Ngoba lento angazi uphuma phi nayo yokuthi afike neconstitution ye-EFF azoyifaka kuthina ukuthi asisebenzise yona ngeke iziyenzeke leyo nto. Umkhonto uqaliwe KZN kwathiwa wamaZulu wanaba umkhonto waya ko Northwest waya kuMpumalanga kuphi. Izinkinga okufanele njengo SG ngabe udila nazo akadili nazo ake ngithatha inkinga yaseMpumalanga. Uke wamuzwa kuthiwa uyohlanganisa uMary Party no Khuzana nomkhwebani wakwayezwa leyo meeting because vele bafuna leya mess yenzeke. Vele leya mess bafuna yenzeke. Angithi njengoba befuna leya mess yenzeke. Njengoba befuna leya mess yenzeke wekhomo bafuna ukuthi bese bethi nampa abantu abazosebenza umkhonto eLukhuzini eMpumalanga bese landa labantu bakhe abalanda lapha kwi-EFF ebulala iqembu lamalema ngenhloso.
So you've heard it for yourself. I don't have much to say. It's only you MK members who need to fix this thing now, because seems like all of you are expecting to go to KwaDudunusi to report all the problems that the MK party has, right? Sidelining regions, unions, national. We just want to go to one man, right, to deal with all the problems from all the provinces. We have 9 provinces and a lot of people, and there are people who feel like they are not getting justice because of what they contributed. And all those people want to go to one man and report to him, right? And now the MKP has structures, and they believe that those structures are illegally elected because it is Floyd who is behind the formation of those structures. So they just all want, by all odds possible, whether there's a law that says do not go to KwaDudunusi to see the MK party president, do not go or go. They are going there. And they are reporting, they are bad-mouthing Floyd when they get to Jacob Zuma. And you know what is funny? Jacob Zuma is not reacting, he's not saying anything, he's not stopping Floyd. He's quiet and go and attend the Nazareth Shembe Church with him and go and make deals with the ATM with him. He's not saying, they've reported and reporting him. Don't you think that even Duduzile is reporting Floyd to say this one, we want him out? But JZ seems like his confidence and trust is behind Floyd Nico Shivambu. I don't know, how do you expect this problem to be resolved? Are you saying Jacob Zuma will be able to deal with all your problems? That's why you want to go to him to report so that he will deal with Floyd, MKP. You need now to change the strategy. You know, I understand why to start something without having structure and people put in place to be leaders becomes a problem, because everyone will participate hoping that they will gain position. And now when they see that they are not getting positions, they will start fighting. They have a right to fight because they invested in this political party. A lot of people have given much to this political party, hoping that they will gain something. Because to speak the truth, no one does something, invest in something, having an intention of not getting back the harvest, getting some gains back in what is invested. So you invest in something because you want to gain on it. So the members are saying that we were there because we invested much, because we were leaders and now we are being sidelined. They wanted to gain something. It's in our nature that we do something for gain, right? But now the approach that now the comrades are using, I don't think they will give the good outcome when it comes to dealing with the problems in the MK party. And Kwazana Ninodwa. But don't forget that you can subscribe to this channel and you can support us and leave super thanks button and leave your comment on the section below until we meet on the next video, and I'm out.